Hello Gadgeteers, today I'm going to unbox the new Obsbot Tail Air 2 PTZ camera. And they also sent me this controller, but I'll show you that in a little bit. So all I did was take the plastic off the box so that it wouldn't glare in the camera, but I have not opened it. This is the first opening. So let's see what we get here. They always package everything so nice. I like Obsbot for that. So here we have their information, new tail, spelled different ways. I don't know if you can read that. Maybe you can. So we just have probably the quick start guide. That's what we got there. And the warranty. It's so nice that they have the whole guide there. Actually, it's just in different languages. It's very short. Looks like it's just a couple pages. That's okay. Let's lift this out. Big foam pad. And here we have the camera. Let's wait a second. Let's take this out first. What we have here. I'm going to set this aside. Let's put this right here on this side. Let's see what's in this box. Open both sides. Something else is in there, isn't there? I think it's just, yeah, the box itself has a divider. It's kind of wild. Okay, what we have some different little adapters. Let's open these up. Let's get a knife for that. Oh, packages aren't labeled. So I don't know. Well, some of them are. Looks like a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Is that? Let's see what this one is. This is USB-C to USB-C cable. Has nice flashy red here. This. Got a couple audio adapters here, I guess. I'm not sure what those are. Those kind of remind me of the old S-Video, if I'm remembering correctly. I'll have to find out what those are. Of course, all this information will be in my written review when I post it in a little while. This is just the unboxing for now. And we have another USB-C to USB-C. So I don't know what the difference between these two are yet. Alright, let's move these over. And let's get to the main event. Let me see how to get this out of here. Let's see here. I'm currently recording this on a PTZ camera that's mounted right here. And I think that's all that's in here. Just a bunch of foam, so I'm going to move that out of the way so we can look at this camera. Let's take this little plastic off of here, like so. And it has a piece of foam to protect it. And there's the camera right there. Here's a side view. You can see it has the Obsbot logo It has what I'm guessing are some status LEDs right there. This is the lens itself. Move it like this. It has some air vents here. Let's move it around again. We have a power button. On this corner edge, we have a microphone on line in, HDMI, RS-232 in and out, an SDI connector, the LAN Ethernet jack here, which it's also a PoE. So that means power over Ethernet. So instead of connecting this to an AC adapter and using your USB-C port and one of these cables, if you have a Ethernet switch nearby and your router, if the switch is PoE and it's connected to the router, you can power it with just an Ethernet cable. And that's how I have the one that I'm using right now powered. It's very nice and very convenient. And then on the back side here, or the side, we have more air vents and a micro SD card slot. On the bottom, there is some kind of, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like some electrical contacts and a threaded socket so that you can mount this on a tripod. Now you can see as I'm moving this around that the camera will swivel this way and also this way. So that is the camera. Let's move this back around like this. Let's move this plastic off. And there it is, the Obsbot Tail Air 2 PTZ camera. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit there. Get a little bit of better view. And I'll give you a little bit better view of the connectors here. See if I can zoom in. You can see what's going on. And the bottom. It's a very nicely built camera. I can already tell. It's very heavy. And it's small. It's significantly smaller than the one that I have above. I will insert a picture here so you can see the difference. Because I'm going to take this camera down and put this one in its place. So I will include a picture in this video right now that shows the difference. I'll have them sitting side by side. But that's what I have for you today. Just an unboxing, but I will have the full review coming up very soon. And I will link to it in this video when it is up. So as always, have a great day.